everyone, my name is Antoinetta and today this video is going to be a little bit unusual. I have never shared my accounts with you, so I received quite a few emails. Firstly, I'd like to say thank you to everyone for sending me their emails and asking me questions about my investments. And I decided to show you and share with you my few accounts. I've got few accounts, firstly because actually I do the same investment series to my Bulgarian audience because I'm born in Bulgaria, and in Bulgaria they can use the mobile application eToro because they do have a mobile application. They can use this platform. Here in England we actually use free trade, and I've got a few applications that I'm using. Firstly, the most and the main important one is hl.co.uk, Hargreaves Lansdowne. Sorry if I pronounce the name a little bit incorrectly, and it's quite difficult for me. So always I do hl.co.uk. Whenever I speak to my friends and they ask me which platform I used, I always say hl.co.uk. Yes, they're one of the most expensive platform, but they've got 99% of all the stocks, and I'm actually quite happy with their customer service and with their platform online. It's quite easy to use, plus I can find anything I wish and anything I like to invest. I've got my pension schemes, I've got my private investment and my ISA with them. But because of my YouTube series for investments, I actually opened quite few accounts with eToro. I've got with Trading 2012 and a free trade, which is only on my phone, and I've done some screenshots of my phone this morning so I can share them with you. So let's start with free trade. I'd like to share with you how free trade, I opened this account back in January, and I started investing a few times by £2,000. So I'd like to show you at the moment for 6 months, not even a full 6 months, I've got £2,000. I'm in profit, and all the companies that actually I've been recommending them on my YouTube channels, and both Bulgarian and English channels, you can see them here as well in all my 3 accounts. So you can see I've got Microsoft, I've got Zynga, I've got Match I bought last week, which I'm quite pleased, and I think the time it's really good for this company in the future. So I do believe they've got very good accounts. Carnival is one of my unlucky and risky positions, but to be honest, I'm not selling because I'm not in a hurry to sell, so I can hold to this even if I need to for 5 years. Hopefully they will stabilize in the next 5 years. Twilio, I'll show you IBM, Nvidia, Citigroup. I'll show you a few more. You've got Zoom. Just I'd like to show you, I bought Zoom around March. So for 3 months you can see 99% is almost 100% return. So what do you think about this? Qualcomm and 3M and Abui, they are very good dividends stocks, so I'm very pleased with them as well. So I'd like to share with you as well my trading account. So you can see McDonald's dividend received on 29th of May 2020. I'll show you the account. You can have a look. Account value is 2,500. I actually live results, I've got profit of £308. So you can very easily see how I'm quite happy with that as well. So in eToro, I've got Amazon. eToro, I can tell you, I think I opened the account around end of March, exactly when I launched my Bulgarian investment series, and quite few people start asking me about eToro. I heard about that and about this application, and I've never actually had an account. So I opened my account back in March, and you can see I'm gonna keep this screenshot, guys, because I love it. I love it. I love it just to see everything in screen. How long it's gonna be? Nobody knows. For me, the market is very unstable because very you know that economic it's not great at all. We know that unemployment is actually raising all the time. So for me, I'm not quite sure what is going to happen. So I'm trying just to have cash all the time, to be available, keep cash with you just to be available to invest and find great deals. So Amazon, Zynga, Tesla. I love Tesla. I invested. I've got investments in my ISA, in my SIP, and in my private accounts with HL. I love Tesla. Tesla is my biggest investment, as well as Facebook. And I can tell you that Tesla have done really well. Intuit, Nokia, Shopify I think is overvalued at the moment, so I'm gonna wait, because last year I bought Shopify in my HL account. I've done really well. I sold it to be honest, because it reached 100% return, so I sold it. Invested again a little bit here, and I've got a few more shares I think left in my ISA account. I've got Sirius Holdings. You can see here is a not so large sum. Trade Desk, I do believe Trade Desk perform amazingly well. Slack Technologies and ADT. So you can see for 3 months I've got profit of £672, which I'm really happy to see. As I said, firstly, I'm not a financial advisor. This is only my experience. This is only my tips that I can share with you, my knowledge, but everybody has to do their own research, because at the end of the day, you have to do your own thinking, your own choice, because it's important for you, for your knowledge, for your future. So you have to do your own research. So you have to decide where to invest. If individual stocks are not are difficult for you and you're not ready yet, you can just actually invest in index funds and ETF funds, so they can do all this for you. So because they're a combination of stocks. And I'll do another video. Probably the next one is going to be 5 best ETF funds that you can invest. And so they can be good for you. Again, someone who doesn't have time to pick up the individual stocks. I'm quite exciting. I actually really loved researching companies, doing my own research to value them as a company. I like strategies, and I use strategies of Warren Buffett. I always follow him. I love listen to his conference calls, and to be honest, guys, yes, let's learn from the best one. So yes, I think this is from me, but I want to share with you as well very quickly what I'm planning to actually buy very soon. I love Amazon. I've got few shares. I invested last year in Amazon in my ISA account with £1,600. Now it's 2,600. I just love it. But obviously now I think it's overvalued, and I think it's overpriced. So I need to wait, and I want to add it to if this happen. Google is the same. I've got few Google shares, so I'd like to add more. Facebook, I've got 10% of my portfolio for Facebook, and I love it. I bought it when it was 150 per stock, and to be honest, I really appreciate. Also, I really like that. MSN, I've got few, and I've done really well because I bought it back in December 2018 when it was actually quite low priced. Match, I bought it last week, and I actually bought a Starbucks last week, and I like it, and I think it's a great company. They pay dividends, which is amazing, and yes, I'd like to keep Starbucks for forever, probably, as Walt Disney. My favorite stock is Tesla, and I bought it when it was 180. So I actually quite enjoy what is happening with Tesla. I really I like this company. It's one of my favorite, and I can't wait when it's reached to 2,000 and 3,000. Obviously, this is my predictions or as my hope, but yes, this is what I think. So this is from me, guys. If you like my video, please press the button like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these videos. I do actually spend and I do prepare a lot of my videos. It takes a lot of time, so if you want to support me, I'll be grateful if you actually subscribe to my channel, if you can share these videos and my channel with your friends and families, and somebody who may think that they who you may think that they need to learn, and they want to learn about investment. So yes, I would love to hear from you. Thanks for sending me emails. I really like reading them, and that you actually are supporting me. This is what is giving me energy to continue. Yes, I just think I found the niche for my channel, because obviously you know that I'm interested in quite a lot of things: health, business, motivation, and investments. But even though I really like investments, it's something that I am so passionate about, and this is going to be most of my videos in this channel is going to be about investments and obviously motivations. So if you like my channel, please subscribe to it, and you're never going to miss my videos, my future videos. So till next time, stay green and motivated, and thanks for being with me. Have a great day. Bye bye.